Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add crypto. Com card to Apple Wallet step by step. Open the crypto. Com app on your iPhone, tap the card tab, choose Manage and select Add to Apple Wallet. Approve the card by following the on-screen prompts, then authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Return to the Wallet app to confirm the card appears and test a small tap payment to ensure activation and readiness. If adding the card fails, take a breath and try a few quick fixes that usually work. Check settings for an iOS update and install if needed, then restart both the crypto. Com app and your iPhone. Confirm your device region supports Apple Wallet and that your Com account is verified. If problems persist, remove any pending card entries in Wallet and retry the add to Apple Wallet flow with a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more quick guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you handle cards, keys, and phones, perfect for on-the-go setup breaks. Check the video description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting your card in Apple Wallet is simple and important, so let's walk through easy security steps. Turn on Face ID or Touch ID for wallet purchases and require authentication for every transaction. Keep the crypto. Com app updated to receive critical security patches and bug fixes. Use a unique strong password for your account and enable two-factor authentication where available to reduce the risk of unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.